Hi. Today we have a new urgent job. In the living quarter we have these lockers that you put your things in when you go home. And then we have this code lock on them. And one of them doesn't work. So we need to break in a delicate way, so we don't destroy anything. And we have to be very quiet, and because it's inside the living quarter where people are sleeping now. And it was urgent. Now we are here to fix this locker. This is a code lock, because here in the harsh environment of the North Sea, there is a lot of criminals. So it has to be locked. This cannot be open anymore, so we have to fix it. And this is a very delicate procedure. And to fix this, you can do a lot of things. You can use batteries and everything, but that doesn't work anymore. So we need to use the best tools in the world. Knipex, the best a man can get. And now we are going to show how this is done.
This is the handle we need to open, and here you see a lot of numbers, and now we have to use these best tools, and there you go. It didn't go exactly as planned.
Oh my god, this was not... maybe I need to call somebody. Oh, okay, we just try to do it one more time, like this. Oh, there we got it. It's open now. And after this success with dismantling, we already have mounted the new one. And it was a perfect results. As you can see here, the numbers is almost correct. We have a little bit issues with the numbers, but it works. And then it was another success from the mechanical department here in the harsh environment of the North Sea. Ow!